Say good morning.
Morning.
You're very happy. The boys are much happier when they say good morning.
Got it.
Good morning, guys. So today we're going to be vlogging. We're going apple picking with my sister, and we are also having a bonfire over at my parents' house tonight. So fun fall activities, even though it's going to be like 82 today. The boys spent the night at grandma's last night, so we're heading over there to go pick them up right now because we went out and hung out with friends last night and didn't have the kiddos. So we're going to get the boys from grandma's, and then we're going to start the rest of our day. Hi, baby.
Mary?
Yeah.
Because it's got big tires it can drive out?
Big
Mary did
Mommy, get up! Mommy, get up!
Is that the mama or the baby?
Like Mary and stuff?
Mommy.
That's the mommy?
Yeah, Mom, that's you.
Aww.
Take the baby over to Mama.
Mommy, get on me. I'm so tired doing this.
Daddy, you're
Oh, Dad, you're sleeping.
he's sleeping.
Don't bear it all, you can't see
But
it.
Dad, you're sleeping.
Where'd it go?
Dad, you're sleeping.
They were doing that dad said last night. And then like just cracking up.
Yeah.
You eating that cookie?
You comfortable, Calvin?
What?
You comfy?
Bite.
I don't think it's out. Look. Do you see it?
Yeah.
You see the fire?
Am I eating these cookies?
No. Mommy, I want one cookie. Mommy,
You gotta ask Papa.
Papa, me, I want cookie. Me too, Papa. That's what happens on the desert. When we in the desert. All the time.
He was just backing up to make room.
You
You ready, Cal? You ready to go?
Maybe
that's it. Because I thought you'd sit on the...
when she eat grass.
It's a goat. He's eating the grass.
Anyone inside about it?
There wasn't, I mean, like, there was only somebody.
Mommy, get tractor.
And a tractor, oh my goodness.
Eren, come here. Which hole do you want to look at?
Get in the truck. Get in the truck with brother. Say happy.
Happy.
Handsome butts. Alex, look enthusiastic.
Mommy, good night for the car.
Yeah.
Mommy, good night.
We're going to pick them off this week.
Mommy.
To this tree?
There you go.
And put it in Rai-Rai's bag. Thank you. Pull it off. There's a bug on it?
Yeah.
There is a bug.
Mommy, it's away. Yeah.
Eren, is it too windy for you? He just has such... Look so happy.
Hey, Mommy, what's that?
I don't know. Okay, there you go. You gotta ask nicely.
Please, can I please have this candy? Can I get candy?
Each hand.
Yay! Thanks, Mom. Thanks.
Oh no, you get 2. Brother's got 2 of his own. He shoves them both in his mouth. Oh, there we go.
You're downstairs, and then so like this part here.
Thank you.
Part is disconnected.
Yeah, big one.
And so the
Thank
back
you.
Yeah, big one again.
So he messages
Thanks.
me and he says, "Hey,
A small one.
he goes, can you bring a
No one
screw gun
to again.
and like a
That's done. Don't do it up. It's on fire already. It was 2 seconds.
Let's go. I got big
throw it on the ground. Try throw it in there again.
Okay.
Just try throw it in there. See if you can throw it in there. Be careful. Just throw it in there. Throw it. Okay, now take this. Push it in. Push it in. Watch it. It'll melt as soon as it gets in.
Push it just a little bit.
Yeah, look at it. See it? See it melting?
He's gonna fall.
Mark, set, go.
Cal!
That was a cheater.
Cal is a cheater.
All right, guys. Let's go give kisses to Grandma and Papa.
This is what you want to read?
Yeah, 2. Mommy, that will widow.
Okay.
Mommy, that will widow.
All right, let's read.